Hey girl, you hungry?
Fuck you, nigga.
Eat beef, eat a big old steer. Eat steak, have you had one here? Eat cow, it's a mighty good food. It's a great A meal when I'm in the mood. Hey baby, are you hungry for steak? Hamburger or maybe a cake?
For this particular rip session, we're going to see how my new configuration does. I'm running the low pass notch filter, and I reset up, instead of using Betaflight I used Clean Flight, but I changed a couple things.
Fucking believe it.
I'll start. Switch a drop.
Alpha click, bitch.
Hey. Alpha click. Alright, all my niggas asking for a fucking icebreaker. I'm about to hit the shit with my nigga fucking Jaeger. I got the white lady, yeah, I'm talking about the yay. I get that shit by the day and the ounce, yay. Yeah, you know I'm coming through, reppin' Alpha Click 806. We the shit, got the S in the grip. Yeah, you know we going off. Yeah, you know we spit this shit. Yeah, we gonna rise to fame because we steady getting it. Yeah, I stumbled a little bit, but I'm back on the flow. Yeah, you know I got that shit that make your bitch want some more. Yeah, she coming back, say she want the fucking daddy poke. I just get up on the ground and tell that bitch no. You gonna have to wait for this shit when I go a stacking bricks. Yeah, you know I'm steady getting money and I'm living it. Got the rap game and the crack in the kitchen. Yeah, you know we got these niggas fiending when they living.
Got these fiends fiending. Got my green, so you know I'm fucking greening. Give me 2 chances, and I'm in the room with lap dances. Hey, that's Alpha in this bitch. You already know, bitch, you're sucking on my dick. My nigga said, break the fucking ice. I said, wish I could. Must be fucking nice.
Must be nice, I broke the ice, now we in it. You know we gonna win it, nigga, leave your head spinning. Me and Bugatti got it, nigga, got the color. I'm all up on this shit, your girl let me doma. I licked it all up, nigga, in the fucking truck. I let her know how I beat the pussy fucking up. And now she's screaming out my name, and nigga, what? You know I got that pussy and I got it on lock, boy. You know I got it and I get it, now I smoke it. I'm toking, no joking, nigga, smoking in the open. That's me and Alpha Click, we got it on the lock. So if you're fucking us, nigga, better try to walk.
Hey, yeah, you better try to walk. All about that shit, and it pays to talk the talk. Me and my niggas gotta get it. Alpha all the way, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, you know I'm getting paid today. With my niggas, yeah, we riding. Yeah, you know I'm smoking. Nigga on the corner, come and get it, we in motion. I don't give a damn, crack up on the corner. Nigga looking at me, yeah, that Alps gets a donut. And I don't even give a fuck, I'm riding with my nigga. Alpha all the way, and you know I'm speaking clearer. Alpha Nation, baby, all about that shit. And you know she be my lady, me no fucking Bronco quit.
See. Best cook in the 806. Come up through the fucking kitchen, now I'm whipping bricks. Then I get the fucking beat, then I whip that bitch. Then I get it in the bed, watch me spin that shit. Yeah, I'm getting on it and you know I'm smoking chronic too. Yeah, we get the bitches in the back hitting booty dudes. All these bitches love the Dougie, so I'm counting hundreds for 'em. We don't give a fuck, and you know we steady stunting on them. Kill the fucking beat, then we gonna get that shit. Stacking all this cheddar cheese, yeah, you know we getting it. Reppin' with this Alpha Click, and we about to do it big. And we going with the shit, and we steady whipping it. Yeah, we gonna get it, we gonna send up on the coke. Yeah, we sell up on the shit, you already fucking know. Bitch, here it fucking goes. All this coke up my nose. Yeah, we going fucking hard, nigga, this is how it goes. Every day we reppin' Alpha, you know we about. Yeah, we going through, and we reppin' from the south. Coming out the 806, but we don't give a fuck. Serving up these bricks, all to these fiends, all the fucking way. and we got the Nina, and we steady gonna spray. Blowing purple haze, blow it by the A's. Yeah, we going hard since first grade. Getting fucked up, and we steady on the scene.